here from All Media Services. I'm going to be talking to you today a little bit about your routers. So a router usually has a dual band or a tri-band frequency nowadays. So what that means is you have a 2.4 band and a 5 gigahertz band. These bands the devices attach onto. So why is there different bands and what are they used for? So the 2.4 gigahertz band is a further range band. It allows you to take your device maybe outside of your house and able to keep a connection. The 5G band is a much tighter band, not allowing you to travel as far. A 5 gigahertz band is a much stronger band and it allows much faster speeds and download. The 2.4 gigahertz runs at 1/3 the speed of the 5 gigahertz band. So a router today often have smart features built into them, making the connection back and forth and seamless. You don't even notice that the device is connecting between these ones. Older routers have a 2.4 and a 5 gigahertz that you can particularly dedicate that device to. So this is something that you really need to watch when you do have that device connected. What band are you on and how strong is that speed? Your smart TVs you want to have connected on a 5 gigahertz band because you're doing live streaming using a lot of bandwidth. Something like your phone you could keep on a 2.4 gigahertz network because you do walk around the house and even outside the house on that and you're not necessarily using as much bandwidth. A smart router really is the way to go because you don't have to make that decision and it automatically will switch it for you when you're in range, keeping you at the most optimal speed that you can. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Go to our website, www.allmediaservices.net, and sign up and you'll get put in for our free draw for a Blink security system at the end of the month of January.